again. Today we're going to talk about my new Leatherman. This is the original one that I've been carrying. I've got a flashlight, some spare bits. It's an LED lens, an extension bar. I've had this one for about 3 years now. 2 years, 3 years. It's the aluminium Leatherman Charge ALX. It's got the hardened blade, which is harder than the ordinary Leatherman. See that? See if I can get it clear. Oh, no, I can't see it. It's an S60 blade. Try and adjust the camera. So just there. Saw blade. A file, rough file, and a diamond file. A serrated edge with a seatbelt cutter or a box cutter on the end. It's very useful. I use it a lot for opening boxes and things. A pair of pliers. In the end, the pliers have crimpers, so you can crimp electrical terminals, and cutters for cutting wire. Inside here, you have a flat screwdriver, interchangeable. You can turn it around, make the end bigger. Next to that is a glasses screwdriver. Again, turn it round, got a slot and a flat screwdriver there. This side we've got a Phillips bit. Again, it's got 2 different sizes and a can opener. Also a bottle opener. You can use it for dual purpose. Along the edge there you have a small ruler, and it goes to 10 centimeters. Not sure how that goes. I don't use that. And now I'll show you the new one that I got. This is the Leatherman Charge Titanium. Opening the box. This one comes with a bag full of accessories and a booklet. And if you pause the video now, you'll be able to see all of the things that the Charge does. Okay, so this is a very nice leather sheet. Very, very thick leather. The sheath, it's very thick, you can hardly bend it. Inside is the titanium. It's the Leatherman Charge TTI. They do a special edition of this for the Chinese calendar, which is very, very expensive. This is the normal one, about $300. 520V blade, again harder than the aluminium Charge. Same pliers. In here we have a pair of scissors, very, very sharp, and they cut through most things. Very useful. A flat bit that's used for opening cans. You can open cans and things like that, prying things. Get it out. Here's the small screwdriver again for glasses or sunglasses. The other side we've got, it's all new, bottle opener and can opener again, and one Phillips bit which you can take out, and it has a flat bit on the other side. Again, the ruler is down the edge if anyone wants to use that. Very, very nice. It's very stiff. These Leathermans, when you first get them, you can barely open them. There's the saw blade. It's got oil still on it. And that's for opening boxes, serrated edge. You have to be careful, it's very sharp. Inside the accessories pack, we've got extension bar, two sets. That's the first set with flat bits and torque bits. This one's got flat and Phillips. And inside here we have a belt clip and a hanging loop. So you can hang it up on things when you're out in the field. To attach the belt clip or the hanging loop, you squeeze down, see the slot there? Can you see? Yeah. You put the bar in the top, push down on the bar to release, and it's done. To take it out, push back again and it comes out easily. And to put the clip in, it's the same thing for the belt clip. The belt clip on these is very, very strong, very sturdy. You've got no problem there. It won't come loose, it won't come off. You can attach it inside your pocket, in your jeans, or in a top pocket. So there we go. Very nice. I'm very pleased with this. It's a little bit lighter than the aluminium, not much. That's it for this video. See you next time.